If you're an entrepreneur stuck in a cluttered home office, it's time for a makeover. At MAGA Hubs, we're all about turning your home office into a productivity powerhouse in just 7 days. Yes, you heard that right. A week to transform chaos into a sleek, efficient workspace. Whether you're a newbie just starting out or a seasoned pro looking to up your game, our comprehensive how-to videos are your secret weapon. We'll walk you through every step, from choosing the perfect desk setup to optimizing your internet speed. Imagine starting your week with a cluttered desk and ending it with a space so organized, even Marie Kondo would be jealous. And the best part? You get to do it all from the comfort of your home, with a touch of style and a sprinkle of fun. Our tutorials cover everything, and I mean everything. From setting up your online business to mastering productivity hacks that'll make your workday a breeze. No more guessing, no more stress. So, why wait? Join the thousands of entrepreneurs who've already transformed their home offices with MAGA Hubs. Your dream workspace is just a click away. Ready to level up? Let's get started. Remember, at MAGA Hubs, we don't just set up offices, we set up success. See you on the other side.